back to another Vlogmas episode. Today we have a clean with me video, which I'm so excited about. This vlog is a few days behind real time since I did want to fully clean the house before finishing decorating. So grab a hot drink and let's get to cleaning. All right, so I typically always start in the family room because it's the room that we use the most and the one that gets the messiest. So I typically like to start with a blank canvas and remove everything, so that's exactly what we're going to do. I have a few new Christmas pillows that I am intending to decorate the couch with. Alright, couch is officially cleaned out so that I can vacuum it. Today's video is actually sponsored by Shark, and I'm so excited because I've actually been using the Shark Power Detect for the last 2 months now. I actually showed myself unboxing it and cleaning with this for the first time a few videos ago, and I love it so much that I wanted to show you guys my routine with it and all of my favorite features. One of them being the dual clean nozzle. So it's basically one tool for all floor types, and it switches from hard floor to carpet so seamlessly, better than any other vacuum that I've ever tried, and you guys know that I've tried a lot. This is just so good at switching the power and also switching whenever there is more dust in a certain corner. It basically has a power detect technology where it gives you the right amount of boost whenever you need to like deep clean a certain corner. I don't know what it is, but it just magically knows where to suction more whenever you truly need to deep clean a certain corner. Also, you'll see me use a lot the multi-flex, which is this part right here, and it's to me what makes this the most unique out of any other vacuum. It just magically bends wherever you need it, especially under tables, under couches, any area that you need to get under and you don't necessarily want to like bend over. This just bends for you, which is my favorite feature. So I'll show you guys exactly how I use that in a little bit. But for now, I'm going to vacuum my couch because I have a golden retriever, and if you know, you know. We typically do this once a week and you'll see why. Let's get to vacuuming. Finished vacuuming, but do you guys see that? Insane. Dust and hair. This just collects everything. But I'm going to put the pillows up and then clean the carpet. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. On to the kitchen. On to our living room. I'm just going to rearrange and organize everything.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to
moving on to the dining room, which personally I am so excited to finally do like clean with me videos in this room. As you can tell, there's still a bunch of decorations here that I have yet to decorate, but you probably already saw the Christmas tree on a previous video. However, I do want to clean this room a little bit, especially the table and the rug, because they do get really dusty. So let's just quickly dust off.
What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come.
Alright, so this is my favorite part about the multi-flex, and the main reason why I love it so much is because we do get a lot of dust under this table and under the console table over there, which I'll show you. But you basically just click right here, and then you're able to vacuum under without having to bend, which is the best part ever.
I can see the snowflakes fall.
Yes, the gallery wall is still a work in progress. That one's crooked. Give me a second. That's a little better. But on my to-do list for Vlogmas is definitely printing the rest of the photos, just not today. Today, we are going to be quickly cleaning upstairs. The guest bedroom is a hot mess. There's a lot of laundry to fold. Typically, when we do laundry, we just dump it in that room and leave it for longer than I would like to admit, to be honest. We have to do a little bit of laundry, and on top of that, Eric got back from a trip, so his luggage is there and a few other stuff. So let's get to organizing that first. No judge zone. This is our guest bedroom. By the way, when I did the closet transformation video, so many of you guys were so concerned as to where Eric's clothes were at. His closet is basically in the guest bedroom. We don't really get that many guests to like offer them the entire closet, to be honest. I just leave the 2 nightstands empty, so whenever people want to leave stuff, they can just leave it in there. Realistically speaking, my mom is the one that visits us the most, so she does have one specific nightstand that's hers. That's basically a little gist update. Let me quickly fold some clothes and get this room.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high while building Frosty the Snowman until lay outside.
All right, last but not least is our bedroom, which has been such a mess ever since I finished this tree. I haven't even made the bed today, so let's get to it.
And the candlelight would glow where we used to play in the wintry wonderland, and we hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band.
By the way, I have been loving this comforter. I have it in cream and now brown. And it's just so fluffy and oversized and perfect for a king size bed.
Mistletoe and the sense of wonder and someone to hold close. Oh, 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 give me some ribbons and a chimney for Santa's sake. No, it's not too late. It's not too late. Oh, how I wish for
lastly, I wanted to show you guys my favorite feature, which has to be the charging station / auto empty dock. This basically collects everything and anything that the vacuum collected, which is my favorite part and the most satisfying. Let me show you. You basically just place it in here. Literally so satisfying. It also comes with this order neutralizer, which is amazing. So let's replace it. It basically goes in here and then you lock it in place. It also has a sleep mode, which is amazing just in case you're vacuuming at night and don't want to make too much noise once you put it back in the charging station. So you can turn it on and off that way. And then to empty out the canister, you just lift it this way, which by the way, this is all that it has collected in the last week. Insane. But yeah, I'm going to have it linked in the description box, so make sure to check it out. But I think this is such an amazing gift idea for the holidays, for your mom, for a housewarming gift. But I think it's such an essential in any household, and it's truly been my favorite for the last few months. Now to finish this episode of Vlogmas, I think we should do a puzzle from our advent calendar. Hudson is currently eating. This is what I mean. He literally eats from here and then drops all of his kibble on the floor. But you know what? I feel like I never show you guys what I eat in a day. To be honest, I meal prep exactly this almost every single week. I just reheat it throughout the week. So I have here some white rice, chicken, and an avocado. And that's pretty much my lunch for the day. You can't be a needy boy while mama's eating. You think I don't know what you want? Okay, no, look at mama. No, watch. This is one of my favorite things to do. I basically fake caress him. He's like, are you not gonna caress me for real?
Mama's just joking, mama's just joking.
All right, so as we know, we are a few days behind in real time, but this is a puzzle advent calendar that we're going to be doing. It's called Winter Lights, and I'm thinking of opening this one. Oh my God, these pieces are so small. All right, we have 2 already. We have these already. This one. So one of my favorite things about doing this is honestly the fact that you can just like disconnect for a few minutes. And I think that's the beauty of it. Like, it's so necessary, especially with social media and our constant scrolling. I'm gonna do all the corners first. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's clean with me video and little puzzle together. But yeah, see you guys next time. Why are you hyperventilating? What's going on? Let's go. Come on, let's go.